Hey everyone, welcome back to the Information House channel. If you use a table saw and want ultra-precise clean crosscuts, then you're in the right place. Today we're looking at the top 5 best crosscut sleds for 2025. Whether you're building fine furniture, trimming panels, or just want better accuracy and safety on your saw, these sleds deliver. I'll walk you through the features, differences, pros and cons, plus show you what to watch out for before you buy. Check out the product links in the description below to see each model. Let's jump in. 5. Peachtree Woodworking Supply Inc. The original Dubby sled. Perfect cuts every time. From standard 4-sided frames to stunning heptagon designs, the original Dubby sled delivers unmatched accuracy for all your mitered projects. This precision cutting sled makes it easy to achieve perfect results on the first try. No guesswork, no wasted material. With the ability to cross-cut panels up to 24 inches wide by 52 inches long, the Dubby ensures your large projects stay square and stable, virtually eliminating material walking. The built-in angle scale is up to 20 times more accurate than typical miter gauges, offering preset angles for shapes from 4 to 16 sides, no math required. Plus, when it comes to cutting small or delicate pieces, the included 35-pound hold-down clamp keeps your hands safe while maintaining complete control. The Dubby fits most cabinet and contractor table saws with a 4/4" bind-to-list miter slot, but be sure to measure before ordering. Take your woodworking precision, safety, and creativity to the next level with the original Dubby sled. 4. Powertec Crosscut Sled. Looking to take your woodworking precision to the next level? The Crosscut Table Saw Sled Kit has everything you need to start making perfect cuts right out of the box. This complete set includes a 36-inch miter bar, base, adjustable fence, MDF fence face, flip stop, hold-down clamps, tape measure, abrasive grip strips, T-bolts, screws, washers, and even a mini screwdriver. Everything you need for smooth setup and accurate cutting. The Table Saw Crosscut Sled features easy-to-read half-degree graduations, a hairline indicator for mistake-free adjustments, right edge zero clearance, and a simple design that allows for quick installation. The included taper jig not only excels at taper cutting, but also works as a straight line ripping jig, giving you endless creative possibilities. Built from high-quality MDF with a melamine coating, it measures 32-inch by 7 to 7/8" by ham-inch and features indexing marks, 5-star knobs, hold-down clamps, and abrasive grip strips for maximum stability and safety. Ideal for crafting chair legs, tables, cabinets, and other custom furniture, this versatile jig fits any standard 3/8" by 3/4" miter slot on full-size table saws. Please note, it's compatible with saws where the right miter slot is 3 to 3/4" to 4 3/8" or 5" to 5 from the blade, and may not fit most job site or benchtop saws, so check your setup before ordering. 3. Woodpecker's Crosscut Sled Precision at your fingertips. The Woodpecker's StealthStop miter sled delivers unmatched accuracy, durability, and versatility, all in a compact, cost-effective package. No need to build your own sled when features an easily adjustable miter bar and a perfectly square back fence for flawless results every time. With effortless above-table adjustments and a leaf spring miter bar that fits any saw slot snugly, setup is fast and frustration-free. Built from a 1/2" Baltic birch plywood with a low-friction black laminate, it glides smoothly for precise crosscuts. The retractable flip stops stay rock solid for repeat cuts, while the protractor with positive stops ensures accuracy on 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 12-sided projects. Proudly crafted in Ohio, the StealthStop miter sled brings true pro-level precision to your workshop, every cut, every time. 2. INCRA Miter 1000 SE. Upgrade your table saw precision with the INCRA Miter 1000 SE. Dock and lock the included miter gauge in seconds for fast, repeatable accuracy. The removable T-slot retaining clips and adjustable glide lock miter bar ensure a perfect fit, thanks to 6 expansion discs that eliminate side play and provide smooth, anti-friction travel on any standard miter gauge channel. The special edition telescoping INCRA lock fence gives you extra reach and stability, while the 1/10 degree vernier cursor lets you dial in ultra-precise angles with ease. For best performance, make sure your table saw has at least 11 inches of space from the blade to either edge for solid support. Perfect for woodworkers who demand precision, speed, and reliability. 1. Peachtree Woodworking Supply Dubby Junior Accuracy and Precision. The Dubby Junior and Crosscut Sled takes your table saw to the next level, delivering flawless 90-degree cuts and perfect miter joints with ease. Its simple setup and clearly marked, easy-to-read angle scale ensure every cut is right on target. Despite its smaller stature, this compact sled packs professional-level performance, ideal for woodworkers who want precision without investing in bulky machinery. Featuring smooth sliding parts, an adjustable MDF face, and a stop block, the Dubby Junior makes repeatable, clean cuts effortless. The easy angle scale eliminates guesswork, no calculations or test cuts needed, making it more accurate than a standard miter gauge. Perfect for cutting any shape from 4 to 16 sides, this sled safely cross-cuts smaller panels without material shifting, giving you crisp, square results for cabinets, furniture, and fine woodworking projects. Thanks for watching, everyone. Those were our picks for the top 5 best cross-cut sleds of 2025, each designed to give you cleaner cuts, better accuracy, and safer woodworking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest product reviews and tool comparisons. You can check out all the products mentioned in this video. I've added their links down below in the description for easy access. Let me know in the comments which sled you'd choose for your workshop, or if there's another one you think deserves a spot on this list. Until next time, this is Information House, helping you find the right tools for every project.